Hello beautiful woman, in this tutorial let us explore 5 powerful and very profitable and practical ways that you can use to make money with AI in 2025 and in years to come. As you must know by now, AI is here to stay, and it is only those who are leveraging it that are going to be winning and making more money. And we'll talk about financial independence for women. AI is going to be playing a huge part in enabling women to become financially independent. So let us explore these 5 ways that you as a woman can start immediately, even without any prior experience, to make money with AI. The first one I'm going to be looking at is prompt engineering. Now, this is something that a lot of people are not familiar with, but this is what is most important with any AI tool, any generative AI tool out there, because these tools actually depend on your input to produce results, to give you output. And if you don't know how to talk to it properly, it's not going to be giving you the result that you actually want. So it is the same thing as when we would say Google is garbage in, garbage out, or a computer system is garbage in, garbage out. So these are tools that requires your creativity to be able to create or give you creative output. And that is why we say that AI is not here to replace anybody, because without human inputs, AI cannot function effectively. So people who have mastered the art of speaking to these AI tools effectively are some of the people that are making a lot of money in this AI ecosystem, and you want to leverage on prompt engineering to make money for yourself. Now, prompt engineering goes beyond just going to ChatGPT and telling it to give you basic answers to questions. And by becoming a skilled prompt engineer, you can potentially get jobs from anywhere around the world, such that you even get to earn in foreign currencies. You can even start training people on how to create prompts more effectively, create online courses around it, and so much more. Now, how do you start learning prompt engineering? A friend of mine is hosting a training on prompt engineering, and I'd like to invite you. If you're interested, click on the link in the description of this video and come through to me, and I'll give you more information on how to become a skilled prompt engineer that makes money for herself. Now, the second one we're going to be looking at is to start a faceless YouTube channel. In a previous tutorial I did, still talking about how to make money with AI, I also mentioned this as well. And that's because faceless YouTube channels are skyrocketing people's finances these days. And all you have to do is to just create content on YouTube without having to show your face, and you don't even need expensive gadgets to get started. All you need to get started is quality knowledge of how these tools work, and once you're monetized, the income is passive that can pay you for years to come. You can start a faceless YouTube channel around anything, and you don't even need to have experiences in those areas. You can start a cooking tutorial channel, you can start giving health tips and advice, or even financial tips and advice around a specific subject matter. And like I said, you don't even need to be skilled in those areas. You just need to learn how to use the AI tools required to create those content. And then you also need to learn the right way to upload those content on YouTube to ensure that they are reaching the right audience. So you may need to invest a little amount of money in learning this skill, because it is actually now a skill, trust me. And if you're interested in learning this from somebody who is currently getting results, somebody whom I know that is getting results, just go to the description of this video and check for my WhatsApp link. Come through to me on WhatsApp and let's have a thorough conversation on how you can actually get started with your training. But if you just want to check on YouTube for more information to help you get started, of course, there are tons of videos on YouTube that can actually help you get started. But then if you need somebody who has your time and is going to be paying attention to you, you can actually opt for the training opportunity that I'm going to be sharing with you on WhatsApp. Then the next AI business model that you can start with and start to make money immediately is to sell AI prompts in form of ebooks. Now, if you've learned how to prompt ChatGPT or any other AI tool to give you results in certain areas of endeavors, or in a certain career path, or in a certain business, you can actually create an ebook around it. Create those prompts and ensure that there are a lot of them, and put everything together as an ebook and start to sell it in places like Amazon KDP, Instagram, or even on other social media platforms where you have a good presence. And of course, you can also sell with ads so that you can get more buyers. If what you have in your ebook is really valuable and you're able to clearly communicate it in marketing materials, even if it is $1 and you have a large number of people who are interested, you should be able to make passive income off of this material. And the good thing is that it doesn't even require a lot of tools to put this ebook together. It could just be an ebook of maybe 100 pages that can even be created with ChatGPT, Canva for book cover design, and even Google Docs for putting everything together. And before you know it, you have a material that is making you passive income. Then the first one we're going to be looking at is to create landing pages and even entire apps with AI. I recently made a video where I talked about a tool, an AI tool that can actually help you to build entire websites, landing pages, and apps just by a single prompt. I'm going to be leaving that video link in the description of this video so that you can also go and check it out. But AI has really simplified everything. Even if you don't know how to code, even if you don't know how to use website builders like Thrive Architect and the other ones like Elementor, right? You can actually use AI. Just know how to prompt these tools, and before you know it, you have an entire website, you have an entire app, you have an entire landing page that is ready to sell the products or services or offers of your clients. All you really have to do is to put yourself out there as being an expert in this area. And if you do your marketing well, if you do your positioning well, you should be able to attract foreign clients who pay you in foreign currencies. And of course, you know that this is always an added advantage. Now, the tool that I mentioned in that tutorial is called Lovable. You can also do a quick research on Lovable and see what it can actually do. And then if you need guidance, just ensure that you watch that video that I'm talking about so that you can learn how to do it and start making money from it almost immediately. Now, before I go to the last one, if you have enjoyed this video so far, you have gained value, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit on the like button, and also comment if you have anything to say so that YouTube can also help us to recommend this video to more women who should be seeing this as well. And yes, you should share this with another woman who you know has to be financially independent in 2025. And the last business model we're going to be looking at is to become a social media manager. I know when we say become a social media manager, to some women it may sound like this is only for the Gen Zs or people who don't really have work to do. But I want to burst your bubble and let you know that people, matured men and women, are actually making a fortune from social media management. Think of the fact that a lot of businesses actually want to be in the online space, but they don't have the time to actually manage their social presence. And that is why social media managers who position well are actually making a lot of money. And you can actually position as a social media manager by taking your online presence seriously, marketing yourself, and of course also learning how to do it right. AI can actually help you to drive efficiency. A good number of social media managers these days don't even write caption with their brain anymore. They depend on ChatGPT and other AI tools, and this is not a bad thing. It only helps to make the work easier, right? But then you also must know how to do it in such a way that it is giving you content that still sounds human. So with ChatGPT, you can create your content. You can also create your visuals with several AI tools out there. You can create flyers, graphics, and even videos with AI, and everything becomes simple. And there are also other tools that can help you to schedule your posts on the various social media platforms you want to work with. So these are some of the ways that you can leverage AI to start making money immediately for yourself as a woman who is looking to be financially independent or who wants to have another source of income from what she's doing right now. I hope you've gained value from this tutorial. Like I said earlier, please don't forget to share this video, like it, make a comment if you have anything to say. If you've enjoyed the video, just go and say thank you. That would mean a lot to me, right? And if you haven't subscribed, please do that now so that you will become a part of our growing family. And until I come your way next time, bye for now.